Hey, amazing teachers! You know that moment when a student is close to derailing in the target language flow and you can feel your inner gremlin rising? Instead of going full lecture mode, try the simplest hack ever: two positives before one redirect. It sounds like therapy. It works like magic. Start with something genuine but quick. "I love how ready you were at the bell." Followed by, "And your notes look awesome today." Then swoop in with the redirect. "Now let's keep that same energy by tracking the story up here." They feel seen, you stay calm, and the target language continues rolling like nothing happened. Here's a concrete version you can steal tomorrow. "Hey, I appreciate how you jumped into the warm up right away. Plus, and thanks for helping your group stay focused." Then redirect. "Let's go ahead and keep our conversations in the target language now." No drama, no guilt trip, just gentle, affirming guidance. Another favorite is the classic CI combo. "Your gestures were so clear today. Your comprehension checks were on point." Followed by, "So let's bring our eyes back up here while we finish the story." Boom, redirect delivered. Community intact. If you want to scale this up, prep a tiny list of go-to compliments you can use on the fly. "You're tracking, you're participating, you're showing effort, you're staying with me." These can be delivered in under 3 seconds and they disarm 99% of misbehavior. Students get the message without the mood shift, and you stay in the target language instead of switching to English for a mini wellness seminar. And if you want even more smooth, low prep routines, visuals, and tricks to keep your class flowing, grab the CI Survival Kit with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. It's classroom sanity in downloadable form. Happy comprehensible input.